Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making Tunisian spaghetti. Ingredients I'll be using is 2 pounds beef cuts. You can use chicken, peppers, potatoes, 2 tablespoons black pepper, 1 tablespoon cayenne pepper, minced garlic and sea salt, and 1 small can tomato paste. I've added all the ingredients with vegetable oil. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes and it should thicken up. Once the sauce starts to thicken up, you'll add a cup of water. The sauce should thicken up and you can go ahead and start adding your beef cuts. Add more water. Keep stirring until there's no clumps. I'm going to go ahead and add the beef. Stir. If the paste is a little bit too thick, go ahead and add more water. And you're going to go ahead and put it on high for 40 minutes. Make sure you keep checking on the sauce so it don't burn. This is how the sauce should look, thick. I've already cooked the pasta and plated the spaghetti, and this is how it should look. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you try this Tunisian dish. It's so delicious. Please subscribe and see you on the next one. This recipe is very delicious